What's up? So today we're gonna be installing some new headlights. Cause look at these. Old, foggy, and this one's red. So what we need is gonna need some tools, some reliable. Let's check these out. Oh dang. Nice and shiny. Oh, this one got a little smurf, but it's all good. It's literally real good. Huh. That's dirt inside too. I'll see how I take that out. Alright, let's get to it. And also we're gonna fix the bumper and the fender. Look at that. Like new. Let's see. Woo. Alright, well, start all off first. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna they look real good. But first of all, I want to fix the fenders because they kind of loose and saggy. Other than that, let's see what we can do. These bolts off. Pretty easy. I mean, mine's missing all the bolts. You know, that's why we got zip ties. And over here on the rim tires, take those taps off. You know, look. Oh, dang! I guess. And we're also gonna take the hood because it doesn't close right. But let's see what we can do. Let's get to it. There we go, first fender's off. It wasn't that hard. It was basically, hold on. Well, this one's already came off, but can't get the last screw that's all the way down there. Why? Because this car too damn low. But here we go. Now it's time to replace them. Already. Basically, just come off. All right, to take these off is pretty easy. You take the bolt out from here, unplug it from here, and just snap this off, which might not be that easy. Yep, there we go. And there you go. Light one, it's off. This is down. The new light, which I think is gonna be really nice on it. Okay, same thing. All you gotta do is plug it in, just plug and play. Well, it lets it. There we go. Put that down. Plug it in, man. Where is that? Here we go. Found it. And about. It's supposed to have screws, but mine's not screwed on. Oh, let's remove the second light. Where can we see this off? Thing dusty. Alright, let's put the new one. Somewhat new. It's dusty too. Alright, disconnect them. Good new. All right, let's try them out. Oh, nice. Fender's on. I did a little modification, did a little zip tie in the back, but race car, right? All right, now it's time to put the other one back on. So I'll be right back. Look at that. Nice. Nice, we still got a little bit of hood gap, but we'll fix that later on. Right now, I'm just good to finish. I think I'll put the bumper back on, not sure yet. But still couldn't figure out how to get it here to close. Still got a gap. But it's fine. This is temporary. I just wanted to get the new lights installed. So let's see if I put this bumper. There it is. Final product. Not A1, but still missing some bolts. But we set tight it. Still got this big old gap, but it's all good. That got beat up. But we good. This one's good. Only one bolt holding it.